on your retirement day. Hopefully, yung makapag-enjoy ka na ng iyong deserved na vacation. And surely na we will miss you. Love you!
For all those times you stood by me, for all the truth that you made me see, for all the joy you brought to my life, for all the wrong that you made right, for every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be forever thankful, baby. You're the one who held me up, never let me fall. You're the one who saw me through it all.
Hi po, ma'am. Happy retirement. Enjoy life. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Bye! Love you, Momo!
You were my eyes when I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me, lifted me up when I couldn't reach. You gave me faith 'cause you believe I'm everything I am because you loved me.
Retirement, Ma'am Sena!
Thank you sa lahat at simula nung umpisa ng mga Ma'am, salamat sa lahat na makabait ninyo sa amin. Thank you pa.
Meron ba?
Wala na.
Meron pa!
Was out of reach. You stood by me and I stood tall. I had your love, I had it all. I'm grateful for each day you gave me. Maybe I don't know that much, but I know this much is true. I was blessed because I was loved.
Wala na, ang bait lang po ni ma'am. Ay, hindi, tama na, sorry. Ma'am, good luck. Ma'am, size, ano ha, XL. Add 2XL, baka sakali.
My eyes when I couldn't see, you saw the best there was in me. Lifted
Happy retirement, Ma'am Sena! See you around!
because you believed I'm everything I am because you loved me. Oh, you were always there for me, the tender wind that carried me, the light in the dark, shining.
Congratulations, Ma'am Sena, on your retirement. Thank you for everything. We will miss you and we love you. From Property Section.
There's some better place because of you. You were my strength when I was weak. You were my strength. Voice when I couldn't say, when I couldn't speak. When I couldn't see. You saw the best there was in me. Give me
Retirement, Ma'am Sena. Enjoy and we will miss you.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Sena! We will miss you!
Hi, Ma'am Sena. Enjoy your retirement po. We love you. Happy retirement po. We love you.
Sena, happy retirement. Sana ay ma-enjoy mo to the fullest ang iyong retirement. It's time for you to enjoy. Mahaba-haba na din ang iyong serbisyo sa DepEd. Ikaw na ata ang may pinakamahabang serbisyo sa ating mga batch dito sa SDO. Kung sa Canada ka man pupunta or sa Canada, basta enjoy life. It's time for you to really enjoy. God bless to your retirement. Thank you for the, sabi ko nga, 28 years of friendship. Thank you. God bless.
Just when we stand hand in hand, make our dreams come true. Everybody now.
Hello, Ma'am Sena! Congratulations on your retirement! We love you and we will miss you!
Happy trip!
Yes, one take!
Oh, practice. Ah. Ah. Ano? Saan?
Thank you for everything.
Hello, Ma'am Sena! Hi, guys! Welcome to our vlog!
Hi guys, anak ko.
1, 2, 3, go! Hello, Ma'am Sena! Samera! Congratulations! Love you, we will miss you. Walang hello? Wala.
Hello, Ma'am Sena. Hello, Ma'am Sena.
Ba't pangalan?
Ano ba?